Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how the way to create a cool text effect on CapCut. And the first thing that you need to do is create a blank screen like this and then insert a text onto this clip. Okay, insert it one by one. For example, I'm going to show to you the way to create it. First one, I'm going to add 2 and I would like to increase it and put it on this side like this. Hit the check button. And now I'm going to adjust the duration like this. Okay, the next step, you can duplicate this text and then change the letters. So let me type this one, infinity, and I'm going to decrease it, put it on this side like this. Hit the check button, duplicate the text again, double tap on your text clip to edit the letters or the text. I'm going to add this one and put it on this side. Okay, duplicate it again and change the font or the text, sorry, beyond like this. Hit the check button and I'm going to increase the size of it and put it on this side, kind of like this. Okay, the next step, you just need to duplicate each text and positioning it, make sure it has it's cover all of the screen, kind of like that. Okay, now it's your things that you need to do, and when you're done, finish editing it, now you just need to click export and download all of these text clip. Okay, now let's jump to the next step. Let me delete all of this first. Okay, and then the next step, you just need to import your video of a text, this one, import it onto this clip like this and positioning it. I'm going to zoom in like this, and now go to the overlay button, add an overlay video, any video that you want to add onto this clip. For me, I'm just going to use this woman head that holding a crystal, this one, and I'm going to put it on this side. So how to blend it onto the text clip is just by click the overlay clip like this, go to the splice, this one, and swipe left your splice and go to the color burn, this one, sorry, go to the burn, this one, and hit the check button. Why there's no other choice rather than burn? Because I am only using a CapCut mobile. If you're using CapCut desktop or CapCut online on your PC or your laptop, you can go to your blend and then change the blend setting onto a multiply, just like that. Okay, now the next step, I'm going to make it have a black and white color. So let's just go to the adjust and I'm going to decrease the brightness like this. Contrast, I'm going to increase it, and saturation, drop it onto -50 like this. And I'm going to adding more effect is a vignette, so I'm going to increase the vignette onto 50 like this. And actually it's already done, but if you want to make it much more cool, you can click the overlay clip like this and go to filter, this one, and then use black and white 3, sorry, this one, and increase the filter like this, and it's done. The final result of it will be look like this. And you can positioning it like this if you want to have a much more shown text on your clip. You just need to zoom in the overlay clip, kind of like that. And when you're done, now you just need to export it, and yep, you can adding it to your video, or yep, just play around with it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.